The last option we are going to discuss here is embed report. Just like we embedded YouTube videos and Google form on our report, same way we can embed this report on other websites and even other reports. For that, you have to click this embed report option. You'll have to tick this checkbox to enable embedding. Basically, an embedded report can be viewed by anyone. So if the data is confidential or sensitive, don't use this option. But since our report is not confidential, I will enable this embedding, and now I can use this snippet of code to embed this report on the website. By default, a width of 600 and a height of 450 is selected. I'll change it to 800 by 600. Now, since I will create a new page on my website and embed this report on that website page. I'll not show you the process of how I update my website, but I'll jump straight to the point where I've already done it, and you can see that report added on my page. So I've created this page, starttechacademy.com/dsreport, Data Studio Report. Check out this page. This is how our embedded report looks like. This is the first page of the report. You can change to other pages also using this bar of Google Data Studio. So if I click on this next button, it will show the next page of the Data Studio report. That is all in this lecture. We have covered all the sharing options also, and this was the last sharing option, and with this we have covered all the report sharing options that we have in Data Studio.